Cassie was a YouTuber who loved to cook and share her recipes with her audience. She was passionate about creating new dishes and challenging herself to try new things. One day, she came up with a bold idea: to get 10 million views on her channel in just 1 month. As she started to work on this challenge, Cassie realized that there was something missing from her life. Despite all her success and fame, she still felt lonely and wished she had someone to share her food with. One day, Cassie decided to make some delicious pastries and share them with the children in her neighborhood. They loved the treats and couldn't get enough. Cassie was touched by their enthusiasm and decided to make more food to share with the children. Soon, everyone in the neighborhood was donating to her account to help her buy more ingredients and keep up with the demand. One day, Cassie received a small donation of $5 from one of her subscribers. Despite the small amount, Cassie was grateful and thanked the subscriber for their contribution. The next day, she was shocked to see a much larger sum of money in her account: $1 million. The donation came from the same subscriber who had given her $5, and he had even asked her out on a date. Cassie was hesitant at first, but she decided to give him a chance. They hit it off right away and soon fell in love. Meanwhile, Cassie's YouTube channel was getting more and more popular, and she eventually reached her goal of 10 million views in just 1 month. Cassie and her subscriber continued to date and fell deeper in love. They even started a cooking show together, where they shared their love for food with their audience. Cassie had found the missing piece in her life, and she was grateful for her subscriber who had become her partner in both love and cooking. They lived happily ever after. As Cassie's channel continued to grow, she found herself traveling around the world to explore new cuisines and share her culinary adventures with her subscribers. Her partner accompanied her on these trips, and they documented their experiences together on the show. Their chemistry was undeniable, and their show quickly became one of the most popular cooking shows on the internet. Cassie and her partner were invited to host their own show on a major network, and soon they became household names. Despite their success, Cassie and her partner remained humble and down to earth.